So neither of you are going to the game.
No, boxers, they can just put. They can just free ball.
Oh, neither. You're not going to the game.
20, 40.
You're not going to the game. Brady, you're not going to Mariners.
20, 100,
20.
Somebody will drive us 120.
Kyler, do you have your 30? I have 10. No, 40. But she'll take us back to SBU. 40.
I have 20.
Oh,
I can take you guys back.
I don't have the money right now. I'd have to pay it.
Yeah.
I know, I don't have the cash.
Hold on, go get.
Dude, there's people. Who cares?
what if it's like this deep?
You think that's illegal?
No, you can. I don't know.
You think it's illegal?
I really don't know, but I don't have a part in this. Brady, I want to see your ass.
You guys are gonna be. No one's gonna pay out. No one's gonna pay out.
Tell me the scenario right here. Give me the scenario. What's happening?
What's happening is our stupid ass friends took us up on a shanty offer and are jumping in this inferno of coldness.
Look at this inferno, dude. It's like 20 degrees down there.
Should we look and see if there's a sign that says no jumping?
Oh, that's well, we're not doing it, so I think we're good. No way. You guys, I hate you guys.
Take pictures.
No, I'm filming it. No way! They're so cold. Keep going. Let's do him swear. Let's do him swear. Oh, dude. Look at the kids watching. Oh, don't try this at home. Oh my God! This has got to be illegal. That has to be illegal. Now I have to give him $20. Dude, we all just lost $20.
That was so worth it.
Yeah, welcome to the Argosy. Screw you, Brady. Oh, they're gonna stink. Oh, they're gonna stink so bad. Look at him grab his. Whoa, that thing's huge.
Tyler, go in there and take your boxes off and get in your clothes. And
Tyler, screw you. Was it worth it?
Yeah.
Oh my God.